Have you ever found yourself wondering, how much money is actually in my bank account? It's a question that probably pops into most people's heads more often than they'd care to admit, especially when we're trying to stick to a budget, planning a big purchase, or just generally keeping tabs on our financial health. While the answer might seem straightforward for some, a quick glance at an app, right? There's actually a bit more nuance to understanding the true balance in your TD bank account. Today, we're diving into the different ways you can check your TD bank balance, and more importantly, what those numbers really mean. Because let's face it, your available balance isn't always the same as your current balance, and understanding the distinction is key to avoiding overdrafts and managing your money effectively. First, let's talk about the easiest and most common ways to peek at your TD bank account. The TD Bank mobile app is probably your go-to. It's designed for quick, on-the-go access. Once you log in, you'll typically see a summary of all your accounts right on the home screen. For each account, you'll see your current balance and your available balance. The current balance is the total amount of money in your account, reflecting all processed transactions. The available balance, however, is the amount you can actually spend right now. This is a crucial difference, as the available balance takes into account any pending transactions, like debit card purchases that haven't fully cleared yet, or checks you've deposited that are still on hold. Always pay closer attention to your available balance when making spending decisions. If you prefer a larger screen or a more detailed view, logging into your TD Bank online banking through their website offers similar information. You'll find a comprehensive overview of your accounts, transaction history, and even the ability to view statements. This is particularly useful if you're trying to reconcile your spending or investigate a specific transaction. Of course, not everyone is glued to their phone or computer. For those who prefer a more traditional approach, you can always visit a TD Bank ATM, simply insert your card, enter your PIN, and select the Balance Inquiry option. The ATM will display your current and available balances. Another option is to call TD Bank's customer service line. After verifying your identity, a representative can provide you with your account balances and answer any questions you might have about specific transactions. Finally, for those who still appreciate tangible records, checking your monthly bank statement is an excellent way to get a complete picture of your account activity. While not providing real-time information, it's a valuable tool for tracking your spending habits, identifying any discrepancies, and ensuring all transactions are legitimate. You can access these statements electronically through online banking or opt to receive paper statements in the mail. Understanding the difference between your current and available balance is critical for responsible money management. Pending transactions can sometimes catch people off guard, leading to accidental overdrafts. Always remember that while your current balance might look healthy, a significant pending transaction could reduce your available funds considerably. Regularly checking your account through the app or online banking helps you stay on top of these movements. So, whether you're planning a weekend getaway, saving for a down payment, or just trying to keep your finances in order, knowing how much money is in your TD bank account is the first step. Utilize these tools and understand the nuances, and you'll be well on your way to better financial control. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.